My dear champion, let's say you receive a question in your examination that the assessee has received a government grant approximately rupees 50 lakh. Now the question is whether it will be taxable. If taxable, under which particular head we are going to tax it. Second, whether it will not be taxable at all. So guys, it depends upon the type of grant which we are receiving that how we will be doing the treatment of it. So my today aim would be that once you finish up this video, you should be very strong that how we are going to treat this government grant in income tax. First of all, you should have a basic idea that what is this government grant? Grant means a type of assistance. Government is helping you. Reason being, you are carrying a business. Government wants that you should carry a business in a rural area. That is the reason they are supporting you. Government wants that you should employ more and more people. Let's say you should employ more and more women in your company or factory. They can give you the grant. Government wants that you should do more and more exports. That is the reason they are giving the grant. Government can also say, okay, you need a land, you need a machinery, you need a building. So that is the reason we are going to assist you. So there could be numerous types of grants, right? Now, the important point is that we should understand that how we will be treating this grant. 50 lakh rupees if we have received, should I make it taxable or how I should go about it? So second thing which you should understand, this is the main thing, that what is the purpose. Always think about the purpose, that what is the purpose. 50 lakh, the amount does not matter. The purpose is important, that why you are receiving this grant. Whether government is giving you the grant, that they are saying that, okay, go and purchase your depreciable asset. Depreciable asset, you understand, building can be a depreciable asset, plant and machinery can be a depreciable asset. So government is helping you in purchasing a depreciable asset. Okay. Whether government is helping you to purchase a non-depreciable asset. The classic example is land. So government is giving the money to purchase land. Third, it could be government is helping you in your day-to-day revenue expenses. So it could, the purpose is whether it is getting received on depreciable asset, non-depreciable asset, or for revenue expenses. All three, the treatment would be different. Very easy. All three, the treatment would be different. Let me give you an example. Let's say for depreciable asset, for example, you need a factory building of rupees 60 lakh rupees, correct? The assessee needs 60 lakh rupees of factory building. Government is saying, okay, you are actually having a building and please purchase it and we will be helping you by 50 lakh rupees, by giving you 50 lakh rupees. So the government grant is 50 lakh. So this is the case one. When we are receiving this grant, what is the purpose, guys? We are receiving this grant for revenue expenses or for purchasing assets? For purchasing assets. What type of asset? Depreciable or non-depreciable? Depreciable asset. So depreciable asset building. So whenever you receive this 50 lakh rupees, the treatment will be, will you make this 50 lakh rupees income? No, guys, please don't make it your income. As per ICDS 7, that is government grant, it says that whenever you receive this money for depreciable asset, please reduce it from the cost of your depreciable asset. So please reduce it from the cost. So your cost of your building will be, your cost of your building would be how much, guys? Now in your books, please record it at 10 lakh. And if you would like to claim depreciation also, at what rate you should claim depreciation? It is a building 10%. So it would be on 60 lakh, 50 lakh or 10 lakh. Obviously, when you have recorded it for 10 lakh, so depreciation would also be treated on 10 lakh rupees, right? So what we have done actually, we have done the concept of ICDS 7 also. Also, we have done the concept of actual cost, that is as per the Income Tax Act. If I talk about the old one, it is 43(1). 1961, it is 43(1). The new act 2025, it is section 39, which says that it will be, whenever you receive the government grant, it should be reduced from the value of your asset. So your asset value would be 10 lakh. Now, you understand, please, case one. So please again tell me, revise with me, for what purpose you have received this amount? For revenue expenses or for assets? For assets. What type of asset? Depreciable, non-depreciable. It's a depreciable asset. So please don't make it your income. Just reduce the value of your asset. That's it. Correct? Second case. Let's say the case number 2, very interesting. Case number 2 is telling you that you have received the grant for assets, but that is a non-depreciable asset. Classic example, land. You are getting this money for land. Now the government is telling you that See, on land, we don't claim depreciation, right? Now the government is telling you that we are giving you this money. It is in relation to your non-depreciable asset, and you have to, with a condition they will give, that you have to actually use this in your factory for next 5, 6, 7, 8 years, right? Now let's say, for example, in your question, you get this, that 50 lakh rupees is received because of non-depreciable asset, and there is an obligation that at least there is a condition that you have to use this particular land for minimum, let's say 5 years in your factory. Now what you will do of this 50 lakh, how this 50 lakh grant will be treated? Guys, you have to, in non-depreciable asset, you have to take it as your income. Please make it your PGBP income. How much? Rupees 50 lakh? No. They are saying that it is for 5 years, spread over 5 years. Very important. Students make this mistake. What they will do, they will directly make it taxable 50 lakh rupees. No, please don't make it taxable. Please divide it by they have given the conditions that you have to use this for, the land should be used for another 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. So whatever it is, please spread over it. So here it is 5 years. So please spread in 5 years. So it would be 10 lakh rupees your PGBP income in year 1, year 2, year 3 till year 5. Please make it your income. Correct. Generally, if you can ask me, sir, if in case in your question, if you don't get this, that with the condition that how many years you have to use it, then you can make it entire 50 lakh as your income. But if it is mentioned that it is for further so many particular period of years with a condition, so please spread it over the number of years. Got it? Again, let us revise again. Government grant you are receiving. First, is it for revenue expenses or it is for your assets? It is for your assets. Depreciable asset, reduce from the cost. Non-depreciable asset, make it your income and spread it over the life where they are telling you that what is the condition of that, right? Now case number 3 is, if you are getting this money for your revenue expenses, let's say for your day-to-day expenses you are getting this money. Let's say you have incurred some salary expenses, you have incurred some electricity expenses, and the government is helping you for those expenses, right? The government is giving you the grant. So let's say government is reimbursing that electricity expenses. So what it is for assets or for revenue expenses? For revenue expenses, ICDS 7 also name it as an immediate financial support. They are giving you an immediate financial support. So in that case, please make the entire grant. Please make the entire grant as your PGBP income this year only, right? So whenever the amount is receivable, please make it as your income of PGBP. So these are the basic thing of ICDS 7. There are few advanced scenarios also, that let's say, for example, we are getting this money for multiple assets, or let's say I take another example. Let's say the government is giving you a non-monetary assets. For example, they are not giving you money, they are giving you non-monetary assets. So ICDS 7 also deals with those topic also. That probably I'll be covering that in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I believe that you have understood it. So if I do a summary in less than a minute. So today what we have learned is, government grant when you will receive, you will ask whether it is for your assets or not for your assets. See, if it is not for your assets, then please recognize that as your income, right? Record it as your income. If it is not, if it is for your assets, then ask whether it is for depreciable. For depreciable, reduce it from the cost. And if it is for non-depreciable, then please make it your income and spread over the future obligations. Correct? So let us meet in our next video. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Keep studying, keep working, be consistent. You will definitely get very good result.